Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Mag in Warframe. Mag is a Warframe known for her magnetic abilities, making her effective against armored enemies. To obtain Magid, first open the market and search for Magid. Purchase our main blueprint from the market, which is for 25,000 credits. Now go back to your navigation and go to Phobos. Select the Iliad assassination mission, and during the mission, focus on defeating the target sergeant. After you defeat the sergeant, proceed to extraction at the end of the mission. You will receive one of the mag's part as a reward. Repeat the mission until you collect all the 3 parts, chassis system and Neuroptics. Once you have all parts, go to your Foundry and build Mag using the required resources and the main blueprint. And that's it. We just learned how to farm Mag's part by completing the Iliad's assassination mission on Phobos and how to build Mag using the blueprint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.